Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jinto from US Cricket Store, bringing you the episode number 3 of the VA900 series that we have in stock at US Cricket Store. And this time, I'm going to be bringing you the VA900 Blaster in the green color decals that we have in stock at US Cricket Store. Well, what is peculiar about the green color decals or the Blaster series under the VA900 is basically this is a grade 3 offering from SS. Basically they have tried to cover all the price points for everyone, so there is a bat for everyone who is having the different budget in their wallet. So you will never be disappointed if you want to grab one of the VA900 series. You would be getting options in all the grades, in all the prices, and that's particularly the idea that is behind the launch of this VA900 series. Well guys, let's talk about the bat now. This bat is big, huge, humongous, whatever you want to call it. I would be attributing those adjectives with this particular bat. It's a low density cleft, 100% hands down. I'll tell you why. Because the edge size is 40 mm on this, 65 on the spine, 29 mm on the toe. Again, big chunky toe, and that has been the quality with the VA900 series throughout any of the series that you look in. The toe size is very thick. 29-30 mm is like the average toe size in every VA900 bat that we have in stock at US Cricket Store. Well, this is the decals up close in personal. Basically it's very textured, embossed, and we're looking at 1 2 3 4 5 6 grains on this one. A small mark here there, but apart from that it's pretty much clean bat. Growing, the grains going nicely parallel to the toe, the grains going nicely parallel to the back of the bat. Good clean cleft that has been selected for preparing this VA900 series. Again, if you look at the duckbill toe feature, having the mid position being they have helped us in identifying what is the peak middle position, which is this band right here. Very big bat, and you're looking at the middle position is right from here all the way till here. Everything is middle for you guys, and that's how beautifully crafted these bats are. Laser grade with the SS logo on the edges as well. Well, I was saying it's a low density cleft, right? This bat with the specs that I mentioned, 40 mm on the edge, 65 on the spine, and a 29 mm on the toe, is packed in only 2.9 on the scales with the wrapper on. 2.9. You heard me absolutely right. That's how light this bat has been. And when I pick it up, because of the middle position being mid-low, the pickup is really good. Feels like a 2.8.5 or 2.8. If I want to be really open about it, feels like a 2.8 easily in my hands. That's how well balanced these bats are. One thing that they have been consistent is the bow on this bat, but the bow is at the fag end of the bat, not from the middle part of the bat. With that, let's check out the ping on this one. There it is, guys. The pressing on the Blaster series is slightly on the firmer side. If you would have listened to the knocking, the ping test sound from the Elite and the Instinct, they were slightly on the softer side, but the pressing on the Blaster is slightly on the firmer side. Basically, the lower grade below, so basically it will take some time to open up, honestly. But a good amount of knocking in and then playing in with the old balls in the nets for preparing up during the winter. This bat would be a beast in the summer when you finally land up in the summer. If green color is your favorite color, then look no further, guys. This bat is really value for money, in my opinion. Well. That brings me to the retail price of this particular bat. This huge bat, or this remarkable bat in the Blaster series. Not only this, any Blaster series under the VA900 group that we have in stock at US Cricket Store can be availed for only $179.99. That's it, guys. That's why I was saying value for money quotient is very high with this particular bat. Well, reach out to us before it gets sold out. We have very limited stock left in our store. Well, that was it for this particular video, guys. If you like the content that we post on our channel, then would request you to kindly subscribe or smash that subscribe button for us. Otherwise, it's all good, guys. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.